Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best toddler guitar is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce your 4-year-old to the world of music. This video is all about helping you find the perfect guitar for your little rockstar, ensuring they have a blast while learning the basics. We'll explore what makes a guitar ideal for tiny hands, covering everything from size and materials to playability and sound quality, so your child can start strumming and singing along in no time. Number 5. Best Choice Products 30 inches Kids Acoustic Guitar. This all-inclusive set comes with everything a beginner needs. It includes a carrying case, extra strings, a strap, and a pick set. You won't need to buy anything else to get started. With our partner, Fret Zealot, you get access to lessons for all levels. The app, available on iOS and Android, also includes a digital tuner. It makes tuning easy, wherever you are. Made from durable hardwood with a lacquered finish, this guitar is designed for young players. It matches the look, feel, and sound of a full-sized guitar, so they can learn comfortably. The guitar recreates the iconic curves and sound of a classical acoustic guitar. The design is ideal for beginners. The tight gap between the strings and fretboard helps reduce player fatigue. It's ideally sized for children to reach every note. Available in a variety of colors and styles, your child can find their unique sound. The dimensions are 30 inches long, 10.5 inches wide, and 2.75 inches high. What we like? This guitar comes with everything a beginner needs, making it super convenient. It includes a carrying case, extra strings, and even lessons. If you are looking for a hassle-free way to get your child started with guitar, this is a great choice. The classical design is perfect for young learners. What people say. It came packaged well with the starter kit of a guitar bag, strap, picks, tuner, clamp, cleaning cloth, and extra strings. It's a great size for a beginner. It's not too bulky to where you can barely reach, and it's not too small to where you can reach a little too much, if that makes sense. The guitar and tuner are fantastic and a great price. Number 4. Kids Ukulele Classical Musical Instrument, Brown. This ukulele toy is designed to stimulate children's musical sense. It helps them learn basic notes and rhythmic patterns, fostering their auditory and creative skills. It's a great way to introduce them to the world of music. The small size makes it easy for your little one to carry around. This instrument is perfect for young children to begin developing their musical abilities. They can take it anywhere. This simplified 4-string design allows kids to learn about tone, rhythm, strumming, chords, and tuning. It's the perfect size for younger children to start their musical journey. Made from environmentally friendly ABS plastic, this ukulele is safe for kids. The nylon strings are flexible and soft, preventing finger injuries. It's designed with your child's safety in mind. This ukulele is a nice gift for birthdays and parties. It produces vibrant sounds and realistic strings, allowing kids to enjoy beautiful music. It's perfect for beginners. Give your children a different kind of pleasure with this safe and fun musical instrument. They will love to play with it. It's a great way for them to explore their musical talents. What we like? This ukulele is designed with young children in mind, being light and easy to carry. It's also made from safe materials, so you don't have to worry about your child. If you have a toddler who loves music and you want them to have their own instrument, this is a perfect option. What people say. It's great quality and has held up to the wear and tear of a toddler. I love how the guitar pick is tethered to the guitar with yarn. Anyone knows how easy it is for a toddler to lose something that small. The size is perfect for a 3-year-old. It actually sounds really good when tuned. Pretty sturdy so far with my rambunctious son. Number 3. Kids Toy Ukulele Guitar, 17-inch 4-string. This ukulele is designed to spark a child's love for music. It helps them develop a sense of rhythm and learn basic musical concepts. It's perfect for beginners. Made from safe, odorless plastic, this ukulele is built to last. The nylon strings are gentle on little fingers, preventing any discomfort. It's a safe and enjoyable instrument. Looking for a great gift? This ukulele is perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. It's a fantastic way for kids and beginners to start their musical journey. With its compact size, this ukulele is easy for kids to carry around. The 4-string design makes it simple to learn about tones, rhythm, and other techniques. It's designed for easy learning. This ukulele is a great educational toy for young children. It helps them develop their musical skills in a fun way. Suitable for kids over 3 years old, it provides an amazing experience. What we like. This ukulele is designed to inspire a love of music in young children. It's made from safe materials and is easy for little hands to manage. If you like the idea of a simple, fun instrument that sparks creativity, this is a great choice for your child. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for my 4-year-old. It is a great starter guitar for kids. The guitar is well made and looks like a real guitar. Number 2. Pyle 34 Junior Acoustic Guitar Kit. This all-in-one acoustic guitar set from Pyle includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with a gig bag, spare strings, picks, a cleaning cloth, and a shoulder strap. It's perfect for beginners. The guitar features soft nylon strings, providing a warm and rich tone. These strings are easy on the fingers, making it ideal for lessons, recitals, or just practicing at home. It's designed for comfort and playability. This guitar is made with handcrafted wood, including a linden wood body and birch wood headstock. It has a high-gloss finish and protective binding. The quality construction ensures a great playing experience. This junior acoustic guitar is designed with beginners in mind. It's an excellent choice for both kids and adults who are just starting to learn. Everything you need is included in the box. The guitar has a total length of 34 inches, with 18 frets. The scale length is 22 inches. This compact size makes it easy to handle and play. It's the perfect size for younger players. What we like. This guitar is a complete package, including everything a beginner needs. The soft nylon strings are easy on little fingers, making learning more comfortable. If you are looking for a well-rounded starter kit that's easy to play, you should consider this one. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for a 4-year-old. It is easy to hold and the strings are soft. The product is well made and durable. Number 1. Masterplay 30 Pink Beginner Classical Guitar. Is your child eager to learn guitar? This Masterplay guitar is the perfect start. It's designed to help them learn and enjoy playing music. Made from linden wood, this guitar is strong and durable. The half-steel, half-nylon strings are gentle on small fingers, ensuring a comfortable playing experience. This package includes everything they need: a strap, extra strings, picks, a case, a tuner, and a capo. It has all the essentials to get them started right away. With this guitar, your child will have everything they need to start their musical journey. The included accessories make it easy and fun to learn. This guitar produces real, beautiful tones, allowing them to play any style of music. The 6 tuners provide precise control over the sound, ensuring they can create the music they love. What we like. This guitar is made from quality linden wood, ensuring a good sound and feel. The package includes a strap, extra strings, picks, a case, a tuner, and a capo. If you like a guitar that provides a complete set of accessories and great sound, this is a good choice. What people say. Good quality. Great for my young granddaughter or beginners. The guitar looks great, very similar to my classical guitar, and the size should be just right for her. Tune is good, size ideal, good value for money for beginners who want to introduce themselves to guitar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.